Dental caries is the second most common disease in children after bronchial asthma. Dealing with children with dental caries, first of all, you have to go for prevention. If it's not possible, then you have to be as much as conservative as you can, as any line of treatment you're going to choose has a lifelong implication on the child himself. So during this course, we're going to discuss many aspects of preventive dentistry and management of early carious lesion in a minimally invasive way, as well as how to do this step by step. Waiting to see you. I'm Dr. Sarah Shafi, and this is SPC Online Academy.